Good morning. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material. And also, you must be properly dressed when the judge asks you to turn your camera on. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, and good morning to you Zoom as well. Again, I am Judge Tenisha Yancey. I'll be presiding over your matters today. Please be prepared to turn your camera on when your case is called. Are the parties ready to proceed on to John Malik Bell?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the people versus the John Malik Bell, ticket number SP 137-28411, one count of expired plates, ticket number SP 133-427-6, count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor or improper plates is the original charge. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596 on behalf of Mr. Bell. Mr. Bell, please activate your video, unmute your audio, and introduce yourself to Judge Yancey.
Shawan Bell.
Good morning, Mr. Bell.
Good morning.
It looks like today is the date and time. We had one moment, Counselor. So today is the date and time scheduled for a hearing, Counselor. How would you like to proceed for your client?
Your Honor, I think we've resolved the matter. There was an offer, but I understand that one or more of the tickets to which Mr. Goss had expected Mr. Bell to have already been adjudicated. So I
That is
think
correct.
the expired plate ending in 8418.
And what is what did Mr. Goss offer for the expired plate? Is there an offer?
Well, that would be complete as charged on the expired plate.
Okay, as charged.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Bell, you had an opportunity to talk to your attorney and he advised you of your right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand your right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand your right?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Turning your attention to July 25th, 2022, were you driving a 2018 Jeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you in the area of Grand River and Hayden in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get pulled over by the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
And the vehicle that you were driving, were the plates expired?
Yes.
Satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bell for expired plates. Mr. Bell, the expired plates, fees and fines are gonna be $220. Can you pay that within the next 2 weeks, sir?
I could get a little more time.
Yes, can I give you 30 days?
Yes.
Are you aware that you have the $918 outstanding as well?
That could so the unregistered plate that couldn't be dropped, or like, I thought if I came back with my like everything together that it would be like
You
something
have your-
better.
You
Yeah.
have You have proof of plates today?
Yes, I got everything. That's what I was trying to tell Simon.
Oh, you sent me the proof of insurance.
Right. If I got my insurance, that should tell you I got my place too, though.
That doesn't necessarily mean the same thing. Do you have
Yeah,
a register?
I got my I got my registration. Yes, it's up to date.
Where's the you have the registration on the 2018 Jeep?
Yes.
Can you send it to your attorney?
Can I go grab it? I just got to go grab it real quick.
Yes.
Thank you.
We will recall this matter shortly, Counselor. If he has it, I can dismiss it. If he has current registration on the vehicle, I'll dismiss it.
Thank you.
That's it. Oh, that's, sir, can you star 6 to unmute your device for me? I just let you back into the meeting. I think your name is Nolan, am I right? Can you star 6 to unmute? Your phone number is ending in 9496. Can you star 6 to unmute your device for me, please? I need you to unmute. There you go. Can I have your first and last name, please?
Butler.
Okay, so you zoom back in. Okay, 1 second, sir.
Oh, yeah. I was looking somewhere else. Yeah,
I need for you not to disconnect, sir.
I didn't disconnect the first time. Oh. Oh. Can I go in the bathroom? No.
Did you email it to your attorney, sir? Unmute your phone. I can't hear you. Unmute your device. Counselor, did he email it to you?
Yes.
Judge, yeah, I have the registration now. I can send it to the court. It does show that the Jeep was renewed on, and expires May 9th of next year.
Okay, so the court has acknowledged, first of all, let's go back on the record. Going back on the record on St. John, People versus St. John, Malikville, ticket number SP 137-28411, one count of expired plates. The court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified that there are current plates on the 2018 Jeep in question. Is that the correct vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor. 2018 Jeep. I have the VIN number, the plate. It shows registration was renewed March 13th of this year, and it expires May 24th of next year.
And the last four of the VIN is 02918.
0218.
Okay, so seeing that Mr. Bill has current plates on the vehicle, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Bill, so there won't be a fee in this matter, however, there are still $918, no, okay, minus the, okay, so,
696.
oh, $696 outstanding fees, sir.
Okay. You do have valid docs today on that case, and then you'll pay. Can you come down within the next 2 weeks to set up a payment arrangement on the outstanding balance?
Yes, ma'am.
The payment arrangement has to be made in person at 36 District Court. You know where we're located?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 2 weeks to come down and make the payment arrangement for the outstanding balance.
Okay.
And you're off, you are free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank
Yeah.
you. Hi, Mr. Ballinger. Have you spoken to Attorney Walling?
You have to unmute,
Unmute
sir.
your phone for me, please. Good morning. Mr. Ballinger, unmute your phone. Unmute your device.
Yes, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, I was on, online waiting for him to return.
He did say that he was gonna come back to you.
Yes, he did.
Did you get enough? Mr. Goss, you still in here?
He went to talk to him, I think. Mr. Warden talked to him.
Mr. Goss, okay, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room so that Mr. Walling can tell you what, he hasn't given you an offer yet?
No, he hasn't.
He was talking to the both of us now. He told us to go get the registration and the tickets. These are both of the tickets. They paid in full. So, and everything. And then he wanted us to get the registration, which is here. And then he wanted us to get our insurance, which is here. I paid both. Yeah.
This is my fiance, Your Honor.
Okay, hi, ma'am. Did you email that to him already?
We don't know how to email. He didn't give us an email. We were showing him everything online. He was like, no, don't put it up there.
Yeah, he just said, go get the paperwork and bring it back, and then he would return.
If we could email it, I could take a picture, email it,
Hold on,
give it to us while.
I'm sorry. He's only here for improper license. You guys didn't need to provide all that documentation. He's only here for the license.
I showed my license.
Yeah, and we got further into a conversation. This is all that was said. We're telling you everything that we did with the.
Okay, hold tight. I'm gonna put you back on
Okay.
mute. Just hold tight for one moment.
Can I send it to his email while we wait, ma'am? If you give me his email? Okay.
Mr. Ballinger, is your middle name Darnell?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay, now calling the people versus Dwayne Darnell Ballinger, ticket number SP 137-53891. One count of driving on a suspended license or driving without a license. Please state your appearance, please state your name for the record, Mr. Ballinger.
Yes, my name is Dwayne Darnell Ballinger.
Okay, Mr. Ballinger, today was the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. The court has verified this count was driving or drove while license not valid or improper license. The court has verified that you do in fact have a driver's license, so we're gonna dismiss this matter without prejudice, sir.
Oh, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
You are welcome. Thank you. You are free to go.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too.
Yes, the person called in on the phone number. Good morning. Can I have your first and last name, please?
Yeah, Brent Brooks.
I'm sorry?
Brent Brooks.
Okay, sir, you know your matter was scheduled for 8:30.
Yeah, I know. I tried to I got up late and then I tried to go on Zoom on a tablet and it kept saying it didn't see the
Okay, sir, so,
we don't see your Zoom meeting.
okay, I'm gonna give you a new date, sir. Okay, and that's for May the 24th at 8:30. We're gonna try it again, okay? Make sure you be on time this time, okay? Next time,
Yeah, what date is it?
May 24th
Or May 24th?
at 8:30.
All right, thank you.
You're more than welcome. Have a good morning, sir.
It doesn't appear that he has a case this week.
Who's that?
Right, hey,
Yeah, it won't be on here because you don't do last names with P.
well, he's an attorney,
Oh, is
but
it?
I'm looking at this to
Oh,
see
yeah.
if he could be represented and I don't.
Oh, I know. Brandon Bryant. Attorney, Brandon, you here for Brandon Bryant, right?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Have you done good morning, how are you?
Fine.
Have you gotten an offer already?
Your Honor, I'd like to go into the breakout room with the prosecutor if I can,
With the prosecutor?
or city attorney.
Were you already in there? No, you weren't already in there, I'm sorry. I
No.
don't see them.
I said breakout room 12. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, sir. I'm gonna have to call him for you, but I'm gonna put you in that room where he's at right now, okay?
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, Miss Brooks? Are you calling on the phone, Miss Brooks?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Have you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Wallen in the breakout room?
Yes, I did.
And did he already tell you what your offer was gonna be from the prosecutor?
Yeah, he was telling me, but I had told him, that I had paid that ticket. I don't think he knew that. So he told me,
I don't think you could have paid it, ma'am. Hold on 1 second, okay?
okay, okay.
So you posted a bond, but you didn't pay the actual ticket for disorderly conduct. Did he say what he was gonna have you plead to?
Not guilty, he said.
Not guilty? You wanna go to trial?
No, he told me not to take the offer. I think he told me to take it to trial.
Okay, 1 moment. Okay, so Miss Brooks, we're gonna give you a trial date of May 24th at 8:30 a.m. So
May
you'll come back-
24th.
Yeah, you'll come back here on this Zoom, but you can't call in. You have to be you have to be on a device that will allow me to be able to see you on that day.
Oh, okay. So what? So I need to be on a computer then?
Yes, ma'am. If you can get someone else's device, computer, cell phone, iPad, something with a camera so that you can appear on the Zoom where we can see your face.
Okay. So do I call this same number I called?
No, when you're on the device, you're gonna click join the meeting, and then you're gonna put in 360-335-0000.
Okay. So I'm gonna go on www.36districtcourt.org.
Yeah, yes, that's correct.
and then push Zoom, and then put this number in.
Well, actually, from there, you'll just find my name. You'll find courtroom 335 and Judge Yancey, and click on there, and it'll direct you straight there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we'll
Okay,
see you
and
on May 24th at 8:30 a.m. for your trial.
okay, May 24th at 8:30.
Correct.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Mr. Page, do you need to go into a breakout room with your client now?
No, Your Honor, I've talked to the prosecutor and a city attorney, and we believe that this matter can be resolved within 60 days. I'm going to ask for one more adjournment, and I think it's going to be resolved.
Have we adjourned this already?
It's been adjourned a couple of times, Your Honor. It's a little bit complicated, but we're working on it.
Does he have a bond condition? Were there already bond conditions? Let me see. Brandon, oh, you may have given it to me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, this case has been going on for a long time. He's not had any complications or any infractions at all.
He hasn't had any further police contact?
Nothing at all, Your Honor. I would ask you to maintain the conditions of bond, and this matter be resolved in 60 days.
Okay, we'll adjourn it until June 26th. It's gonna be the final date, June 26th at 8:30.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day, Mr. Page.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, sir.
I have some things I need you to look up for me, please.
I'm listening.
Does Mr. Ballinger, he's at the top of page 1, have a valid license?
We took care of him already.
Excellent. Mr. Broom and Miss Brooks, it's an arraignment on the bench warrant. They tell me they
Miss-
paid some money. Was it because they
Miss-
didn't?
So listen, Miss Brooks is took care of. She's gonna do the trial date. She only posted a bond. That's what happened with her.
Okay,
Mr. Brooks, you said Mr. Broom?
Broom.
Hold on, I can tell you now. No, he didn't pay any money. This is for alcohol related charge, right?
What? Yes. What did he pay?
He posted a bond as well too. He posted a $200 bond.
Okay.
That's why. So they thinking that they're paying the ticket, but no, they just posted a bond for it. That's all.
Yeah, that's right. Mr. Burks is going to be a plea, and Mr. Butler, I think, is going to be a plea. I'm having communication issues.
Okay.
Did you send Ms. Brooks on her way?
Yes, we did.
All right, well, let me send Mr. Broom on his way, and then we're just ready for those two.
So Mr. Broom, we're gonna give him a bench trial or a pretrial.
I'd like to set it for a bench trial, but I haven't, let me finish with him, all right?
Okay, not a problem.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a bench trial, actually.
Not a problem. And bring Mr. Burt, tell Mr. Burks, oh, here, never mind, he's out now.
Okay.
Mr. Burks, just remain on mute until we get started, sir.
Burks is on. Burks.
Yes.
Did you
I know, they're,
talk to Mr. Butler, Mr. Attorney Walling, or he still having audio issues?
yeah, we'll try it one. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's getting when I'm giving him his rights is the problem, so
Oh, okay, okay.
I'll try her again.
Mr. Burks, just put your phone on mute, okay? We're not ready for you just yet.
Okay.
You go ahead and turn your camera off until we call your name, okay? If you want, you could just, yeah, remain still.
Okay, I think we're ready on both of them. I told them to come into the main room.
No, I might have to bring him out because he's on the cell phone.
Right, and no.
It's okay, Mr. Walling, I have. There we go. Mr. Butler, just keep your background quiet for us, sir, okay? We're on YouTube, we're live on YouTube.
Oh,
Sir,
yes, so I can't.
just remain quiet, sir, please, if you don't mind. Just please make sure your background is quiet and you are quiet. He's here for quite a few. Mr. Taylor. Why do you have more than just gonna put all these in here. No, these are duplicates.
Oh, you so
Yeah, okay, this is Mr. Burks.
it's already on the screen.
Yes, and then this is no. Butler.
Oh.
We're all set. He has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tickets. Page 2.
Pardon me, one moment.
Ready to proceed on Mr. Burks? Ready to proceed on Mr. Burks, Mr. Wall?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, now calling the People versus Pierre O'Neill Burt's ticket number SP 1048377, count 1 improper placement, count 2 no insurance misdemeanor, or no insurance. Count 3 unregistered untitled vehicle, ticket number SP 104837791, one count of operating without a license, ticket number SP 116178. 5, count 1 no insurance misdemeanor, count 2 unregistered untitled vehicle, count 3 no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number U 2317131, one count of a narcotic drug violation. Please state your opinions for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's good to see you. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am your House counsel today representing Mr. Burt's. State your name, please, Mr. Burt's.
Pierre O'Neill Burt's.
Your Honor, at this time, the people are recommending to the court that if the court accepts Mr. Burt's plea to the narcotic violation and to the amended charge of improper plate instead of the no insurance ticket, the people would recommend dismissal of the rest of those matters. For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, my client will stand mute. I have no objection to using the ticket as a factual basis for certainly the narcotics violation, since I'm working from the docket. And we're ready. He's been informed of his rights.
All right, and Mr. Burt's, you understood your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Wallen, there is another youth ticket, which is another drug narcotic violation. And I'm gonna read it into the record to add this in to today's hearing, because he missed his court date for this. It's U 165818014. Was there already?
Do I need to talk to Mr. Goss about that, or will we be putting that in the dismissal list, or this might change this thing dramatically here? What is the date of that ticket, Your Honor, the offense date?
2014, we'll dismiss this one.
Thank you.
So that, yeah, that'll go into the dismissal file, and you said you stipulate to probable cause on the dismissals, Mr. Wallen?
I do.
And you stipulated to the four corners of the ticket on the, both the marijuana and the improper plate?
I do.
Right. The court will enter a plea of guilty on behalf of Mr. Burt's for ticket number ending in 71315 as charged for drug violation, narcotic violation, and also will enter a plea of guilty on ticket number ending in 1785 for the amended charge of improper plate. Mr. Burt's, are you working?
I got a job interview tomorrow, but no, not currently.
If I might suggest something, Your Honor, the recommendation on the narcotic violation ticket is for a 6 months delayed sentence. Can Mr. Burt's have the whole 6 months to pay these? I'm sure he'll try and get it done sooner.
Yes, I will do that.
I have one more request since I'm gaining ground here. Will you dismiss them upon his payment to maybe speed things along? No, okay.
That one you're pushing.
You know, you don't ask, you don't get, Your Honor.
And I should have been clear, your delayed sentence will get dismissed after the 6 months, right? That's part of the delay or the purpose of delaying the sentence, but the improper remain on.
Yes, we discussed that at length.
And then, Mr. Burts, I am going to give you 6 months to pay for the improper plates. It's gonna be $190 for improper plate. For the narcotic violation, it's gonna be $220, okay?
Okay, and if I get,
Total of $410. You have 6 months to pay that. You're gonna return back here on October 24th for your sentencing.
okay,
For your-
can I say something, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my license like sooner than that. And I was like, if I pay all that before this 6 months,
I don't know that the improper plate is gonna keep you from getting your license, actually. It's not gonna keep you from getting it, even
It
if you have.
shouldn't. It shouldn't.
None of these tickets that you're pleading on is gonna affect you. from
None
getting
of
a
these
license.
affect your ability to get your driver's license. If you have anything else out there, it's not from what's on this ticket today.
that when I went to Secretary of State, they told me after September 23rd, I can get my license because it was suspended for 3 years.
September 23rd of 2023 or 2022?
This year.
Oh, they
This-
put you
Okay,
on
so you just
restriction.
have to wait until September. I can't, I can't override what the Secretary of State has already issued.
Okay,
Okay, so you just wait until September, but it's important that you stop getting these tickets. So the more tickets you have, the worse off you're gonna be in terms of trying to get your license back,
okay,
all right? But I will see you on October 24th. You have until then to make the payment of $410. If I were you, I would make small pay, I know that you're not working, but if you could pay $50 every 2 weeks, $100 every 2 weeks until it's paid.
okay,
Cause that's gonna be a part of your, well, let me just say this, while in the next 6 months, in terms of, when you come back, I will dismiss it if you pay what you're supposed to pay to the court, including your improper plate ticket, and you don't have any further contact with police. It'll get dismissed, the narcotics violation will be dismissed and not on your record.
thank you.
You're free to go, sir.
Okay, would I be getting something in the mail?
No.
No, just write it down. Make sure you put it in your phone, October 24th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
One more. How much to pay again?
$410. Write that down too. $410.
And you said
Mr.
October.
Bowman, did you say that he had a bond or no? Is that not the same person?
He did have a bond. I think he did have a bond. He posted a
$200
$200
bond. Mr. Burks, I believe you posted a $200 bond, so you really only have the $210 left to pay.
Was it?
You say I got something else to pay?
That wasn't him. That wasn't him.
Did you post a bond?
No.
Yeah, I paid a bond when I came and paid all my tickets. It was like $300.
If they apply, if it was a bond and not you paying off old tickets, then that bond will be applied to this $410.
Well, sir, you actually missed the court date back on, you missed the court date, so they might not apply that bond. So you're gonna have to come down to see if they'll take your bond. I don't know if they'll take it, because you did miss a court date back on February the 10th. I'm sorry, April 10th. You missed your court date, April 10th.
Yeah, remember I came down there and got another court date.
Yeah, but you still technically missed it.
Because once you miss a court date, you forfeit your bond.
Oh, I thought, well, I'm sorry, I missed.
You might be okay, sir. So just, you should be fine. They might go ahead and still apply the bond. You're fine.
Come down to 36th District Court to have them go through what you paid and what they're willing to apply towards this ticket. All right,
I can't lie. I really ain't got no transportation right now. Like my car is down.
you don't need to be driving any dang on way, catch a bus home.
I know this, but I will come down to pay some, you know what I'm saying, to get my business.
No, you will not. No, you will not. You will ask somebody to drive you. You will catch an Uber. You will catch a bus if you have to. You will not drive without a driver's license. I just made that as a part of your condition.
I'm not. I was just saying, like, to handle my business, you know what I'm saying, I will sacrifice, but I won't. I know I'm not.
You're sacrificing a whole lot, Mr. Burch. You're sacrificing your ability to be able to ever get your license again if you keep on trying to drive without a license.
I see y'all October.
All right, sir.
One more, what's the October what, man?
You better write this down. October 20.
Right now, but I was trying to get that money out in the clear.
October 24th at 8:30.
He made this.
Okay.
All right, you all set?
Yeah, I'm all set. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Same to you.
Unbelievable, I know, right?
Yeah, it's gotta go into my book.
I didn't look at it all the way. I just.
Okay, we ready on Butler?
I guess. You know, I believe we got it together, or more or less.
Mr. Butler, can you press *6 on your phone to unmute?
Uh-oh.
So I don't have this, so I was making sure I don't have to put that in, right?
Mr. Butler, will you press *6 on your phone to unmute, sir?
All right.
In order for us to proceed, you have to dial *6 on your phone to unmute.
Mr. Butler, we need for you to hit *6 to unmute, sir.
Nolan, you're up.
You have about 30 seconds to respond or we're moving on. And by on, I mean another day.
By on, I mean gone. That's the last thing we have, Your Honor.
By on, I mean gone.
There we go. Mr. Butler, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, luckily. Now calling the people versus Nolan Butler, ticket number SP 1092852. Count 1, unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, operating without a license. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Philip X. Walling, representing Nolan Butler. State your name now, Mr. Butler.
Nolan Butler.
Your Honor, I've discussed this matter with Mr. Butler. He has been told of his rights. The people's recommendation is if he pleads to the amended charge of failure to display, they would move to dismiss the balance of the account of the charges. I believe Mr. Butler wishes to plead guilty to that offer.
So, Mr. The original ticket is for failure to display. I'm checking to see if he has a driver's license.
Yeah, well, he does not, Your Honor.
Oh, he does not. He shared with you that he doesn't?
That's correct.
I have a driving license, but they took it away.
Okay. All right, so I'll let him plead to the failure to display, but as charged.
Okay.
And then the other 2 counts will be dismissed without prejudice.
Okay.
Mr. Butler, when we're done with this, though, you should go down to the Secretary of State and find out, because it doesn't say that your license were revoked
Or suspended.
or suspended. It just says that you don't have one, as if maybe you never had one, possibly, but you can determine that or sort that out with the Secretary of State, so you can try to get your license. Sir,
Yeah, because they had told me to get a piece of paper from last one, and they're gonna send them back to me.
You talking about me, right?
oh, okay.
So
right.
last one had sent me last one had sent me a letter that sent go to Secretary of State and get a paper where I
Okay.
paid the tickets and stuff.
Got it. Mr. Butler, did you have an opportunity to discuss your rights with Mr. Walling in the breakout room?
Yes.
And
Yes,
did you
ma'am.
understand? And did you understand your rights, sir?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea?
Pardon me? I didn't hear you.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Oh no.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yeah.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear or affirm that the testimony I give today
I swear online is the testimony I get today
will be the truth and the entire truth.
to be the truth and the entire truth.
Okay, you can put your hand down. I'm gonna direct your attention to August 22nd, 2020.
Huh?
I'm gonna direct your attention to August 22nd, 2020. Were you driving, I'm so sorry, were you driving a red Toyota?
I can't hold it on this phone. You hear it.
Were you driving a 2020 vehicle, sir, on August 22nd, 2020?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Were you in the area of Shayner and Manning in the city of Detroit?
Shayner and Manny. Yep.
Did you get stopped by the Detroit Police Department on that day, sir?
Yeah.
And when asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to give them a valid driver's license?
No.
Satisfied, Counselor?
I am, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause on dismissal.
Yes, ma'am.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss on behalf of the people, P60162. Your Honor, I overheard that he was trying to get his driver's license, so I'm willing to amend this to allow an unlicensed driver to drive so he'd be able to get his driver's license without any further restrictions from this action today.
That'd be swell.
Yeah, because I stay kind of sick because I had a blood clot in my leg and it went through my heart and kind of messed my legs up and I can't walk too far.
Okay, so I don't know if you understood, Mr. Butler, but the prosecutor just made an offer to amend. Instead of you pleading to the failure to display, he's gonna have you plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's gonna give you the ability to go down to Secretary of State and get your driver's license, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, so the court is amending the same factual basis. We're just gonna amend the amended charge to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive on count 2. We're gonna dismiss counts 1 and 2 without, no, that was count 3. We're dismissing counts 1 and 2 without prejudice.
Do we agree? Do we agree? Just ask me.
Mr. Butler, do you agree with with this agreement?
Yes.
Do you wish to accept that plea?
Yes.
Okay. So in both situations, the fee was gonna be the same. It's gonna be a $220. Are you working, Mr. Butler?
No, but I can get it though.
You'll be able to get the $220. Do you want to do community services in lieu of?
Yes, because I had all the money when I came down there. Well, I got
You want to pay $220 only, or do you wanna do 22 hours of community service?
Oh, $22. Hey, wait a minute, what's that?
Do you wanna pay the $220, or do you wanna do 22 hours of community service?
I can't do no community service because I can't walk to get
Okay, so I'm gonna
on
find,
my feet.
okay, so the fine is gonna be $220. I'm gonna give you until May 24th to pay it. If you don't pay it by May 24th, you need to appear back on this Zoom and ask for an extension, okay?
Yeah, can I pay it on the first?
You can pay it anytime you want between now and May 24th.
Oh, okay.
If you pay it, you don't need to appear back here on Zoom. If you don't pay it, you need to be back here on May 24th at 8:30.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
understand?
You said $220.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All right, you
I
are
feel.
free to go, sir. You're free to go. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too.
Huh?
You have a nice day too.
All right. Bye.